Welcome to our portable washer showdown. Today we're comparing two innovative laundry solutions. The COSTWAY Twin Tub, a robust machine designed for larger loads, and the 16L Mini Foldable Washer, which emphasizes portability and convenience. We'll explore their capacities, functionalities, and unique features to help you decide which one is right for your lifestyle. Whether you're living in a small apartment, traveling, or simply need a compact washing solution, we've got you covered. When it comes to capacity, the COSTWAY Twin Tub stands out with its impressive 26 pounds total capacity, allowing you to wash larger loads in one go. This makes it ideal for families or individuals with frequent laundry needs. In contrast, the 16L Mini Foldable Washer is designed for smaller, delicate items, making it perfect for quick washes of intimate apparel or travel needs. While the Twin Tub is a workhorse for regular laundry, the mini washer excels in portability and convenience. Portability is another crucial factor to consider. The COSTWAY Twin Tub, while powerful, weighs 33.5 pounds and has a larger footprint, making it less ideal for travel or small spaces. On the other hand, the 16L Mini Foldable Washer is incredibly lightweight at just 3.6 pounds and can be collapsed to a mere 6 inches in height, making it the perfect companion for travelers or those with limited storage. If you need a washer that can easily be transported, the Mini Foldable Washer is the clear winner. Functionality is where these two machines diverge significantly. The COSTWAY Twin Tub features a powerful motor and a built-in drain pump, allowing for efficient washing and easy drainage. It's designed for users who need a robust machine for regular laundry. Conversely, the 16L Mini Foldable Washer offers specialized cleaning modes and utilizes blue light technology for sanitization, making it ideal for delicate items. Each machine has its strengths, catering to different laundry needs. In conclusion, your choice between the COSTWAY Twin Tub and the 16L Mini Foldable Washer ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you require a powerful machine capable of handling larger loads, the COSTWAY is your best bet. However, if you prioritize portability and gentle cleaning for small items, the Mini Foldable Washer is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.